Does anybody have any questions over the homework? Anything that you got wrong that you'd like to go over? Yeah, Soren.
Number 9 on 5.2.
Number 9 on 5.2?
Yes.
What was the problem? Can you go to find it?
It was 5.5.
Perfect. Alright, was this the problem?
Yes.
Alright, so step 1 in solving this problem, when I told you when we're adding and subtracting fractions and we come across a mixed number, what should we do with that mixed number first? Aiden?
So it's just a fraction?
Yeah, we want to simplify it so that it's just a fraction. Alright, so if I have negative 7 3/5, what am I going to do first to change that from a mixed number into a fraction? Yeah.
Negative 7 times 5 plus 3.
Do I look at the negative sign at all?
No, 7 times 5 plus
Yeah,
3.
7 times 5 plus 3, so that's going to be what?
38.
So 7 times 5 is 35 plus 3, 38. So I have negative 38 over 5 minus 4 over 5. What's another way to write minus 4/5? What is it, Boone? Adding the negative here. So I have negative 38 over 5 plus negative 4 over 5. Do I have a common denominator right now? Shake your heads, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. So what do I do?
Just add the numerators.
Yeah, I just take the sum of the numerators over the common denominator. So that would be negative 38 plus negative 4. Yeah? I did.
Did I pull up the wrong one?
Did we? We had to do this problem.
Or was this the number 9 you wanted right here? Maybe I pulled the wrong one. Did I pull the wrong one?
Let's see.
Oh yeah, it's
This one?
yeah.
Okay,
Sorry, that was my error.
good save. All right,
That was
again, we're given a mixed number. Step 1, what do we do with the mixed number? Somebody help me out. Step 1, what do I do? Simplify it. I'm going to take 2 times 5 plus 1, which is what? 11 over 2. Minus 7 over 10. Now I don't have a common denominator. So what do I have to find, Aiden?
So multiply the 2 over 10, so they both equal.
Would the least common denominator here be 20? Be 10. So what we're going to do, let's list out some multiples. 2. Help me out, help me out. 4, then what? 6. Then what? 8. Then what? 10. Then what?
12.
Awesome, you guys rock. All right, let's start with 10 now at 10. Then what? 30. Then what? 40. All right, what is the least common multiple here? What is it, Leslie? It's 10. Is there anything less than 10 that they have in common? No, so that's going to be my new denominator. Now, did the term we're subtracting, did anything change? Did anything change? No. How did I go from 10 to 10? I multiplied by 1. So I do the same to the 7. All right, but how did I get from 2 to 10? Soren? Multiplied by 5. So what am I going to do with the 11? Dante?
You are gonna multiply it by 5.
Yeah, what's 11 times 5?
55. I get that.
Beautiful. What's another way to write minus 7/10? Raise your hand, help me out. Savannah? Say it really loud.
Plus,
Beautiful. All right. What is 55 over 10 plus negative 7 over 10? Jeremiah.
Wait, yeah, okay. 48 over 10.
Yeah, 48 over 10. Can I simplify 48 over 10?
Yeah.
To what?
40.
What? What if I want to keep it as an improper fraction and I don't want to change it back to a mixed number?
24 fifths.
24 fifths?
Right?
Yeah. I divide each of them by 2. 24 fifths. Alright, any other questions? Good, so what I want you to do right now, or what? 13 on 5.2. This one? 13?
That's
12 over A plus 3 over A?
that's page 2.
On the other page? Okay. 13, right here. How was everybody's weekend? Good. Anybody do anything super fun?
Yeah.
Cosmo bowling, what else?
I played in the fiddle float.
You played in the fiddle club? Aiden?
I thought I was bringing the Horizon CD.
Cool. Anybody go to the Grizz game? You see Miss Patrick's Grizz game? One more.
I won a football game.
Shut up.
Cool.
Got
Cool.
destroyed.
Alright, let's bust out this problem and then we can move into today's stuff. Alright, first step, we see a mixed number. We're going to change it to a... We're going to change it to an improper fraction. Alright, so we're going to take 11 times 7 plus 3. What's 77 plus 3?
8.
80. I have negative 80 over 11. Minus a negative 8. What's the same thing? How could I rewrite minus a negative, Soren?
Plus a positive.
Plus a positive. So I'm just going to call this plus a positive 8 over 1. Do we agree 8 is the same as 8 over 1?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, what's my least common denominator?
Yeah.
Grace? 11.
Do the least common denominator.
So this one's not going to change. This one is going to change. Well, how did I go from 1 to 11? What did I multiply by? Aiden?
11.
11. What's 8 times 11?
88.
What's 88 over 11 plus negative 80 over 11?
8 over 11.
Yeah. 8 over 11. Alright.
So when one is the other denominator, the common denominator is always going to be the other number, right?
Exactly. Alright. Can we come back at the end? We're gonna jump into today's stuff. Alright, so this weekend, I kind of started thinking back to summer, and I thought it'd be cool. I was looking through my phone, looking at different pictures and stuff, and I came across this. This summer, me and my buddy took a trip up to Canada, specifically Waterton National Park, and the first night we got there, we went into this campsite, and it was just infested with bears. And we had this bear, there's a picnic table back here, that he was like crawling on, and then he came walking right up to our car, and then he went walking back by our tent. And so the park rangers came by and they're like, yeah, they're really nice bears, but if you do see them, like, get in your car and lock the door.
Nice.
It's
Well,
like,
they're
oh,
really nice,
okay,
but
so-
just, they'll kill you.
So are these nice bears? Okay, maybe not. Yeah, so that was the bear right out my car window. And then the next day, we spent 2 days in Waterton, and then we went to Banff National Park, which is a little bit farther north and west. And we went to this town called Lake Louise, and by Lake Louise, up a little bit, is this lake called Moraine Lake. And it was just spectacular, so beautiful. This water was just crystal clear blue. We actually saw a guy propose to his girlfriend, like at this little scenic spot, so it was pretty cool. I suggest going up to Lake Louise, give it a real time. But today we're gonna talk about multiplying and dividing fractions, specifically evaluating variable expression, reciprocals, and multiplicative inverses. Before we dive into that stuff, who got number 1 from the board work? Did you guys do the board work?
It says the answer.
Yeah, that's the answer.
You didn't need to do any work for number 1.
Just pretend you didn't see that.
But I did though, and I wrote it down.
Okay, who got the answer for negative,
Is it right,
number
though?
1?
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Dante,
It's -7
walk us through it.
because, so if you subtract, so if you take minus x minus 4, you're gonna subtract 4, which is basically adding on to the negative number, so then you would get 10 out of that. Then
Positive 10?
negative 10.
Negative 10.
Then you would add 3, which would take it to -7.
Beautiful. Negative 7. All right, number 2. Somebody walk us through number 2. Grace.
A negative divided by negative is positive.
Perfect.
8 divided by 4 is
Positive 2. All right, cool. All right. Make sure you're taking notes today because this stuff will help you out.